Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Supernatural. Friends, today I am going to show you some simple method to how to meditate to relax your body, mind and soul. Also friends, I'll be teaching you some simple and easy methods to manifest your desires, your wishes, and which will become true, which will definitely help you, and you will have to manifest those things using the power of nature. So right now friends, I'm standing in front of ocean or sea, and I will start my video. Just please look and observe the things which I follow. Thank you friends. So friends, to start with the meditation procedure, you have to just stand near to the sea waves where the waves will touch your feet. So first of all, you have to stand in a mudra, the yoga mudra. So you have to just lift your one leg, feet and rest it on your another leg, knees. So you have to little bit balance yourself, and so once you get balanced, you have to just pull your hands like this up into the sky, pointing towards the sky, and slowly close your eyes and just feel the waves touching your knees. You can change your leg after some time. Follow the same procedure, resting the toe of one leg on the knee of the other leg. You have to first concentrate yourself, your body balance. And once you get practice, you can stand for maximum time. After that, you have to utter a yogic mantra. Oh, you have to utter this word. Om, Om, Om. So slowly you'll start feeling your body is getting relaxed. The sea waves are touching your feet. You'll be feeling a soothing feeling. Soothing feeling. Slowly your body will get relaxed, your mind will be peaceful. You can change your leg. Do this for at least 5-10 minutes in the beginning. Feel the nature, feel the beauty of the nature. You'll start feeling some positive energy is moving from your foot towards your body, and your whole body will be rejuvenated, energized. So I believe you like this yoga mudra, especially if you do on a seashore. It will definitely give you positive results. Om, Om. Hello friends, now I am going to show you how to manifest to fulfill your wishes and desires using the power of nature. Now friends, we'll start manifesting. First of all, you have to face towards the sea, and you have to speak some words. You have to speak with the sea, talk with the sea. So first of all, you have to open your heart by saying this word: I love nature. Close your eyes. I love nature. I love nature. Breathe deeply, breathe in, breathe out. Do this process repeatedly and say from your heart that I love nature. I love nature. Try to connect with the atmosphere, with the nature. Hear the soothing sound of the waves and feel relaxed. Now start with the second sentence. I love peace and happiness. I love peace and happiness. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a deep breath and say, I love peace and happiness. Then you can say that I want good health and success in my life. Breathe in, breathe out. I want good health and success in my life. Feel that nature is hearing you and your wishes are being listened. Try to build a trust with the nature, with the present atmosphere surrounding you. Also, you can say some good words like, I attract positivity, good luck and wealth. I attract positivity, good luck and wealth. I believe you in see your richness, your abundance which you have. You will definitely give me something out of it in my life. I believe in you, see. I believe in you, see. I trust you, see. Also, you can say some more good words like, I am strong, energetic, confident. I am strong, energetic, confident. Like the sea waves, which are so strong, energetic. Please pour some energy into me. I'm observing you. I have faith in you. I trust you. Also, you can say, I love abundance and prosperity. I love abundance and prosperity. Deep breathing, breathe out. So friends, do this practice for 2-3 times and definitely you will see positive results in your life. And first of all, you have to trust, you have to create a faith, whatever you do with the nature. It will take some time, but definitely you'll start seeing the changes in yourself, in your day-to-day life. Thank you very much for watching my video and hope you will like to see more videos of me. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you friends. See you again. Have a good day.